Hi, Robert Scott here for the Web Video Means Business team. You know, keyword research never ends, so it's important to keep up on the best tools available to accomplish the goal. Today we're going to discuss a few pieces of keyword research software that offer some substantial utility, and for free, at least for a limited time. But first, I want to spend a few minutes on the changes and updates that have come to Google's keyword tool offering. What used to be called Google AdWords tool has somewhat morphed into the current form, Google's Keyword Planner. The gist is that the new Keyword Planner interface is really focused on helping Google's advertisers not only identify useful keywords, but begin to build AdWord ad campaigns right there in the process. Now, the new interface was introduced in the middle of 2013, but Google's taken almost a year to add back some of the missing tools and implement some new tools as well. You're going to need to have tools selected in the menu bar, and then click here on Search for New Keyword and Ad Group Ideas. Now, this area has been upgraded to offer you a great number of ways to specify details about your keyword search. But for now, I'm going to simply type in a search term, flowers. Now, as an upgrade to the old AdWords tool, you're offered whole groups of keywords to explore, and you can still look within those keyword groupings to see some extremely edifying data. There's a phenomenal amount of useful information in here. Now, Google has no exclusive on keyword research software, and there are quite a few options out there, both paid and free. Now, if you're settling in for the long term, you may want to invest in the best tool of the day, pay some money and get what you need. But if you're in the early to mid stages of building your keyword campaign, you can do very well with free or even using the free trial period of a piece of software for research. Keyword Eye has a free version of its software, and there's plenty to like about it, especially if you're on a tight budget. The interface is simple but very efficient. Enter your keyword here, and then you could detail your query below, including an excellent multi-language selector. The results are returned to you in a number of formats. The cloud format, which I'm sure many of you are familiar with, sorts your results by color and size. Once you get used to it, the cloud format can really help illustrate areas of needed focus in your keyword campaign. You can limit this view to display only high, medium, or low competition keywords. They offer graphs as well and a traditional grid view. Plus, they make it very easy to print reports. One of my favorites for keyword research is the aptly named Keyword Spy. Now, Keyword Spy fits in the second category I mentioned. You need to pay for it. But in the early to mid stages of your research, you can get a very, very powerful boost by just registering for their free trial period. The neat thing about this product is, as its name implies, it allows you to spy directly on your competition. It's really kind of simple to use, but provides you with an encyclopedia's worth of useful keyword data. They have a number of modules you'll want to investigate that are frankly fascinating. There's real-time tracking, affiliate intelligence, and agency and enterprise. Now, I can do a whole video on each of these categories, but I want to quickly show you this neat spy tool. You simply fill in the blank at the top with the name of your competition and hit return. There it is. Your competition's Google AdWords advertising campaign and budget splayed open for you to devour. Daily budgets, paid and organic keyword responses, and even their AdWords campaign ad variations. It's a virtual smorgasbord of very useful keyword data. Ladies and gentlemen, have a feast.